The pollinator garden at Waterways is very, very important because we want to be able to track a native species and native pollinators to a variety of native plants. And the best way to do that is to plant native plants. And so we want to plant native wildflowers that will attract pollinators. And by attracting the pollinators, that will provide them food for birds and bees and wasps and even small mammals and butterflies, so they can have food and then grow and then prosper. And so we have very little plants here on station that are active pollinator species. And so by doing this, we can attract pollinators and bring native habitat back to Waterways.
Along with my ERDC team members, we also have a subset of Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts and a couple of other students just from our local schools that are out this morning volunteering and also earning community service hours. We had a group of students that we took around the facility to allow them to collect pine needles that we use to help block the sun so we don't have as many weeds. And we also have the students that are working to actually plant the native plants as well as work on trenching for a brick border that we're putting in today as well. So everything is going great. Everyone's working together as a team, and we're working to make these enhancements today as good as they can be. Some of the skills that the students will learn today are related to certainly teamwork, because it takes everybody working together to accomplish this task, and just basic gardening skills, which can be something that you can learn at any age. Some of us adults like myself are learning a lot about gardening, and then of course learning more about pollinators and how they can benefit the environment. They may want to go home and maybe plant their own after having this experience. So they don't need any specific skills to come out and support, but it is our hope that they'll leave here learning a little bit more than they knew before.